Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I got my March Boxyluxe in. So hopefully they followed the quiz. I've heard a lot of people complain that are pale as anything and did the beauty quiz and receiving the medium dark cover effects palette up. It's got Levian Rose. Different shaped. It's not as long. It's like taller this time. So here's, I guess instead of a pamphlet, we're just going to get a card this time. So first thing I'm pulling out is a fun, funky little snake skin kind of holographic moment. A makeup bag. That's actually handy for travel though. Like I do have my Jeffree Star cosmetics, but you want to travel, like I could probably use like one of like this depth if I don't want to just change out my bathroom one. I'm liking the hollowness of it. Let's have a price. Boxycharm train case. Just add another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the go. Oh, look, it says Boxycharm in it. Okay, I like this. I actually like the depth of it, and I like the color. It does smell funky, though. Your powder sometimes feels broken a highlight. That would not show it. I have a pair of Lily lashes. These are actually really pretty, and they have like the thinnest band ever, which I appreciate because like my small eyes can't take a thin or thick band. So this is so cool. Limited edition foam ink lashes. Gaia. This says exclusive foam ink Gaia lashes. Add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with the new limited edition foam ink Gaia pair of Lily lashes. The wing style cruelty-free lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears. So these are $24.99, so $25 for those from Iconic London. This is the shade medium. Them and their universal. They're medium. Do I look like a medium brow color girl? Okay, my eyebrows aren't even filled in. What color are they? They match my hair exactly. They are black. Okay. So I got medium. This is the Iconic eyebrow cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows with half the effort. The highly pigmented liquid formula glides on effortlessly, while the angled brush makes for precise application each time. $40. You know what? If you're going to put a brow product in there, how about ask our color? 1. 2, then get us something we'd actually use. I'm sure people probably thrilled, like NYX, maybe even Benefits eyebrow pencils, ABH especially. She's going for Iconic. However, I do love this little packaging. It's like that. It's like that. Yeah. Okay, so it has like a little mini spoolie, a mirror, little brush, and then there's the product that you peel off. Okay, I'm going to be passing this along because, yeah. Next up is from Wonder Beauty. This is Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And with 2.02 ounces. Rose Gold Pearl Peel Off Mask contains a skin-loving blend of fruit extracts to heal, purify, and replenish dull skin. Niacinamide helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and hyperpigmentation for more vibrant-looking skin. Kaolin effectively absorbs excess oil, relieving the congested skin and visibly reduces pores. Lift Off dries quickly and peels away easily, leaving you with smoother, clearer, and brighter skin. Smooth on even layer all over face, avoiding eye area. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. And this is why I was having a hard time reading. This has a containing a blend of skin leave-in, acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The lift off, purifying and brightening peel off mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin saving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. So $34. Would I pay that much for it? No. However, I got it in a Boxyluxe. I don't care. And I love masks and peel off masks. And this has like, it's hidden all that I love, like masks that have bunch of fruit extracts in them, some clay, yes, because I get clogged pores. This is also formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. So yay, a rose gold mask that's vegan. So yay. Alright, next up, it's a heavy mother effort. This is it's full size, 2 ounces. It Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. So super ceramide complex, whatever that means. Peptide infused collagen, hyaluronic acid, antioxidant rich, colloidal oatmeal. Quick absorbing, hyaluronic and allergy tested. Okay, the reason why my head tilted at colloidal oatmeal, if you don't know, that is used to treat eczema. Like, I have, like, eczema on my torso that's, like, especially worse in the winter. Like, just little spots. I'm the type, I get little weird, like, they're flat spots. They're not scaly. They're not red bumps. Like, I've seen all types of eczema. Like, my niece, the oldest one, had bad eczema when she was, like, 2 and 3. Like, everywhere. And then it cleared up and went away. However, mine is triggered especially by when I was using all kinds of fragrant detergents and stuff, and so when I switched to all, it got a whole lot better. But however, it does itch like it's been itching this week, and that's because of the cold weather. Like, just winter triggers them, so that's just surprising because I know like all the the stuff I use for eczema has colloidal oatmeal in it, so that is interesting. And I wasn't gonna keep this, but I'm like, hyaluronic acid, yes. Collagen, yes. Tide, yeah. So I'm gonna try it out. I've got a couple moisturizer on my Elements because I'm still using my freaking Lancome Rose one. I only use it during the day, so I'm using that one. I would use Beauty one. I may or may not use this. It really depends, but I think I will. But I'm interested in the Elements one. And, you know, I always got to give my skin like a week or something to acclimate to a new product. You know whether my skin will handle it. So I do that now. However, I wasn't the biggest fan of their eye cream. The cosmetic eye cream. It was okay, but it wasn't as good as the Belief one for me. And it's not as good as, like, I'm using the Tarte Maracuja C brightening one. And it wasn't as good as that one. Now, that one I think is actually kind of helping my under eye circles. Just a pinch. Just a pinch. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream developed with plastic surgeons. So super cream immerses in your skin and moisture, reduces visible radiance, reduces visible wrinkles. I think that's what I was supposed to say, or lines, not radiance. Reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. This is $48, and it is that much, and it's like full size. So, you know, pass it on to just anybody. I was thinking my mom might like this, but I might keep it and try it out. Next up ooh, I like this color. Well, that color's okay. I don't mind the new nail polish. This is really, really pretty. This is Deborah Lippmann, and I see this all the time at Sephora, and I never order them because they're expensive. 7 free. O'Donna and Modern Love. So, but I do like the colors. Like, I really like that shimmer one a lot. This is the dual patented formula in your new Deborah Lippmann 2-piece set. Lets you bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effects of gel polish without the damage. This is $20. So it's just a really pretty nude. I do love that. Like, it's how it looks like a little vase, you know? Like, I'm talking about like one of those big fancy vases. It's like shaped like that, so that's cool. I don't mind the color. I may or may not keep it because I have a few things similar. This one, I don't have anything like. This I have a eyeshadow exactly like this though. That red gold shift thing happening. Yes, please. I'm like loving that one. This one is Odana. So I'm loving that. So next up are some Moda brushes. These are the powder and soft glow. It's excellent for wet and dry product. Waterproof metallic handles. Sturdy aluminum ferrules. Cures bristles. Professional quality fibers. 100% vegan. I love the Moda line. This is Royal and Langnickel's Moda line. Royal and Langnickel's awesome. They're black handled waffle brushes that we've been getting in Boxycharm are freaking awesome. They're amazing. Your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The two brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered brushes or handles and two-toned synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. These are $29.99. Kind of thick to be a powder brush. Or dense. So what powder brush are you powdering? I have to say the shape is something else. Because it's like fat and it tapers at the very end. Again, their quality is amazing. They're so soft and so nice. That's really thick. Like I would almost use that for foundation. But I actually think that could be a replacement blush brush or even bronzer. When I actually bronze or contour. And then this one, I don't know. Like, I just don't get the whole flimsy. Like, all different lengths. Of course, like, I'm ruining it for everybody else. Maybe for highlight. Maybe. If it's a highlight you don't have to dig in, it could work. We got something wrapped all up and stuff. Okay, it's my Cover FX palette. And I got this, the light medium. So let me make sure this one will work. If not, we'll try to trade for a medium dark. Okay. I love the packaging. They really didn't pay attention to our things, did they? Like, really? Like, I don't know. Will that work? Y'all think that will? Like, not now. Like, I'm at my palest right now. Like, this is as pale as I go, okay? 2 months from now, within 2 months, less than 2 months, I'll start tanning. I'll be getting tan, like, within a month and a half. And I know for certain that finishing powder is going to be good for nothing on me. The highlighters look good, though. The brightener, yeah, that's shimmery brightener. I wouldn't use it anymore. The blush would work. The contour, maybe. That finishing powder would be nothing. Like, that has glitter throughout it, too. I don't get the glitter infusing yet. I'm iffy on whether this would work all the time. Might wait to see. You watch everybody else's videos and make sure they got their shades or something, and if they'd want to trade, if they didn't get what they needed. But so I'm gonna hold off on that. 6 must-have complexion essentials in 1 travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightening and finishing powders for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. $45. Why didn't they keep this in the box? The box would have fit in here. Like, would have looked nicer, would have shipped better. Yeah. Is the 15 Morphe 15 Shade Artistry Palette and Indulgent Infinite Eye Looks. The mirrored palette features 15 crazy, creamy, powerful pigmented shades that you can mix, match, and blend the rules. This is Blend the Rules Day Slayer. Base layer. I got like 2 Morphe palettes total, y'all. The Jaclyn Hill and the James Charles. And they're both in here, I think. Yeah. Let's see what this one looks like. Because I can't remember names or nothing. Okay, it's not the worst one they had. Like, they had one even more neutral, I think, than this one. Or this could be the most neutral. Lord, I'm getting my fingerprints all over it, though. Let's see. Yeah. Alright. It's actually pretty coppery colors. Orangey gold vibes. Let's see about the green. Because some of their palettes have carmine, some of them don't. this one has carmine. So yeah, I thought that'd be the case a lot. Do I do? Of course, the palettes that actually have a mirror have carmine. Jaclyn Hill's, James Charles don't have carmine, but this one does. So I'm out of it on that one. Don't know what I'll do with you. The present or giveaway, it'll be for Valentine's. Yeah, I had a feeling. So that was just $16. Okay, I have one more thing left. I almost forgot about it. It's the last thing in the box. This is... Okay, I forgot about nudes. I like pale nudes. I don't wear. The second color I don't wear that much are dark browns. I have a couple that I keep. Like I got a lip lingerie and chocolate birthmark or something, or not beauty mark. I like that one. Okay, this is from Becca. This is the Ultimate Lipstick Love, and moisturizing 8-hour long wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid in chocolate. Why chocolate? What's the name? It's not my go-to color, like ever. Like brown is like the least likely color I will go for. Okay, it's kind of like a warm chocolate. Oh, I'm debating because it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. But still, when would I wear it? I don't think I am going to wear it. That's just not my colors. The browns are just not the dark browns. I do like how you get like a satisfying, it's not magnetic. Or it kind of is. Is it magnetic? Yeah, it is just a little bit. And then it pops open. Watch. Anyway, listen to me. People were complaining about getting a bright red, and I'm like, me. No, I get a brown. Though it's not as horrible brown as it could have been. At least it was like a warmer brown. But still, I don't. The ones I got, like I got brownie nudes. Those. Okay, those all rock to a point of darkness. Like this is a little too dark. And then beauty mark. They're soft. But after that, it's like, no, I won't rock them. Oh, this has carmine in it anyway. So I'll risk carmine sometimes. Like a lot of things, like brands that like put carmine all up in their shadows, they don't put it in their lipsticks. Like you won't find it like in very like any NYX hardly. Like I don't think I've seen it in the NYX. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. Urban Decay is not huge on it either. Or like I have tons of lipsticks that don't tend to have carmine from them. Tarte, I think, too. So it's bad. I don't have a Becca lippy. Better be out. So all in all, I have, if I trade that won't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. Is there really only like 9? 7 things I love, 2 things I won't. So yeah. So pretty good. So anyway, thank you for watching, like, and subscribe. Toodles!